Welcome to Buying Insider. In this video, we will present you with a short buying guide together with a list of the best pellet grills on the market, up to date, just to make sure your buying decision is easier. If you want to see more details and the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. Now, let's start with the first product. First on the list is Best Overall Pellet Grill. We present you the Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24. The Camp Chef Woodwind is one of the most highly recommended pellet grills on the market today. You can pick one up for well under $1,000, and because it's been available for a few years, there are no teething issues. Camp Chef has continued to improve the grill with the release of the Gen 2 digital PID controller and a range of useful accessories and attachments. The Woodwind is available in two sizes. You can get the mid-sized 24-inch model, which comes with a combined 811 square inches of cooking surface, or spend a little extra and get the 36-inch model, which will give you 1,236 square inches to play with. Extremely pleased with the smoking ability of the Woodwind. The PID controller helps regulate smoke and temperature. Control exactly how much smoke you incorporate into your cook by adjusting the smoke number. The PID's extremely detailed controller gives you the industry's most precise grill temperature. This is a good reason why you should buy this grill to begin with, and we are pleased to say the Camp Chef Woodwind did not disappoint. Just turn it on, set the temp using the dial, set the smoke level, and the grill will do the rest. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our next videos. As Best Pellet Grill for Searing, we recommend the Pit Boss Navigator 850. The Pit Boss 850G Navigator series is the ultimate grilling experience for the modern handyman, ergonomically designed to provide less strain and more usability. With advanced grilling technology, premium-grade steel builds, and 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel, enjoy bigger, hotter, heavier features that can only come from a Pit Boss grill. With incredible 8-in-1 cooking versatility, the Pit Boss 850G allows you to smoke or bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char grill, and sear all in one machine. Using their innovative flame broiler lever, you can achieve instant, direct, or indirect heat in a temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital control board and stainless steel meat probes allow you to track temperatures so you can set it and forget it. Let the Navigator do all the work for you. Additional features of the Pit Boss 850G Navigator series include a custom-fitting PB850G grill cover for heavy-duty, full-length coverage, one included meat probe, a large hopper capacity, large pellet view window, pellet door cleanout, reinforced legs, and much more. Next on our list as the best pellet grill for beginners is the Pit Boss 700FB. The Pit Boss 700FB wood pellet grill is a best-in-class grilling experience designed to deliver unrivaled, restaurant-quality flavor to your home-cooked meals for the best value. Using advanced technology, premium craftsmanship, and 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel, Pit Boss is the bigger, hotter, heavier way to grill. The PB700FB offers 8-in-1 cooking versatility, allowing you to smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char grill, and sear all in one machine. Using innovative flame broiler lever, you can achieve instant direct or indirect heat at a temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital control board allows you to set and monitor grill temperatures without opening the lid, so you can set it and forget it. Let your Pit Boss do all the work for you so you can spend more time with family and friends. We hope you like our selection of products so far, and if you want us to review other products in this category, feel free to comment below. In the category Best Portable Pellet Grill, we present you with the Green Mountain Davy Crockett Wood. This is the go-to grill for small families, campers, tailgaters, RVers, or anyone who wants to cook 2 racks of ribs or 4 to 6 nice steaks or a bunch of burgers. Control and monitor your grill from your couch or on the go with the GMG Smart Control. Adjust your smoke and grill temp from 150 to 550 with 5-degree increment controls. Adjust and monitor your food temp from your phone with the GMG app. Grill smarter, eat better. The Davy Crockett model is the ultimate portable grill. It comes with a digital Wi-Fi controller, control and monitor through the iOS or Android mobile app, a meat probe, a peaked lid for rib racks, a convenience tray with utensil hooks, and SenseMate, a thermal sensor which constantly monitors grill temperature. The grill can run on 12 volts or 120 AC, so it's perfect for home or camping, tailgating, hunting, houseboating, music festivals, anywhere you can take it. The Davy Crockett weighs 68 pounds and features foldable legs so that it can easily be placed in a trunk of any car. As the best budget pellet grill in today's video, we chose Z-Grill's Wood Grill and Smoker. Sear any steak to perfection with the Z-Grill's L600D pellet grill that allows for open flame cooking. Designed with versatility in mind, the L600D wood pellet smoker allows you to smoke at temperatures as low as 180 degrees Fahrenheit. You can bake and you can roast from 300 degrees Fahrenheit and sear on high heat, both using indirect heat or direct heat up to 750 degrees over an open flame. Enjoy unlocking limitless recipes with your versatile L600D wood pellet grill. With 572 square inches of porcelain-coated cooking surface, including a second-tier rack, the L600D can accommodate 24 burgers, 5 racks of ribs, or 4 whole chickens. There's a PID temperature controller, and with the most advanced temperature control technology, your L600D wood pellet grill and smoker precisely maintains temperatures to your set point throughout the entire cooking process. So you're going to get perfectly cooked meals every single time. So there you have it, the best 5 pellet grills on the market today. If you found the one on our list that meets your needs and budget, remember to check the link in the description box and catch it at a discounted price. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time here at The Buying Insider, your home of fair and square product reviews.